Hey guys, this is your friend Risha, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Google slide. This video is good for if you forgot to make a Google slide and you haven't made one in days, or you don't know how to make one. So let's get started. There are two ways you could get to Google Slides. Way number one, you can go to Google Apps and click on Google Slides, or you can search Google Slides in Google. Click on the link. Go to Google Slides, and here you are in Google Slides. So let me explain this to you guys. Here is the main menu. There's doc, sheets, forms, rather than slides. You have also settings, help and feedback, and Google Drive. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you guys how to make doc, sheets, and forms too. And right here, if you click this, you can go to Google Slides Home. And here's where you can search your presentations or slides, Google Apps, in your account. Here's where you can start a new presentation. There are so many. If you go to Template Gallery and click on it, they have tons and tons. They even have a recipe book, a part E&Y yearbook, and more. And here, if you have made recent presentations, it says recent presentations, shows them here. And if you haven't made them yet, it says new presentations yet, click plus to create a new presentation. And you can find them by click on an option, owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me. And this is the part where you can make a grid view or list view. Insert options and open file picker. So let's get started making our own. First, I'm going to go to blank today. And here's your screen. Anytime I'm going to make a slide, they have themes. There's so many, or you can just import one. So if you want to close it, you can just click close. And if you want it back, click theme. Okay. So now, here's the slides home. I already told you about that. And this is where you can rename your presentation or name it. And it automatically names it when you write your title. If you want to rename it, just delete that part. And here's file. In file, you can share, open new presentation documents, spreadsheet, or more. You can open, import slide, make a copy, download, and you can do more. In edit, you can undo, redo, copy, paste, and more. View, you can present, motion, master, grid view, zoom, and others. And insert. Insert is really important because at one point you will need to insert an image or video or a shape or a table. So insert is really important. They have so many options. And there are format, slides, arrange, tools, and tools. You can have spell check. Get a spell check. Click on it. Get spelling suggestions. And add-ons and help. So then, and some other things are, you can open comment history, you can present and share, and you'll have your account right next to it. Then you can add a new slide. You can undo, read, you can even add a new slide with a layout. Then you can undo, redo, print, zoom, select text box, and you also have picture here, insert image, shape, line, add comment, background, layout, theme, we already talked about that, and transition. So let's get started making our own. So you can make any topic. I'm going to just make it emotions. And I want my font to be Indie Flower. You can have more fonts. You can have more fonts when you click add plus more fonts, and you can have your fonts. And you can font size. I want to increase mine a little bit. I'm going to make it my bold, and you can make it italic, underline it, change the text color, highlight it, and more. I'm going to write emotions. Okay, then right here, see subtitle. People write by me or by somebody, or they even have subtitles. So I'm just going to write by me. And I want to be in the flower again, make it a little bigger and bold. By me, and I want my text color to be black. Okay. Now, some people don't like their background to be just white. They want to change their background. So, how do I change my background? So you can go to background, or you can change the theme. They have colors. They have solid and gradient colors. You can even choose the image. You can upload it. You can take a picture in Camera, by URL, Photos, Google Drive, or Google Image Search. This is really cool because in slides, background image or image in search, you could actually search it from Google. So that's really cool. Since emoji faces make sense from a slide background, I'm gonna write emoji faces. I think there are so many, but I think this one looks good. So I'm gonna insert. It's loading, and you can even reset it. And if you're done, you can just click done. So here I have it. And now I'm gonna I want to add a new slide. So I'm gonna either click new slide or a new slide with a layout. I want a new slide. Let's see. At the title only, and you can have more layouts. I want mine to be in middle, so you can go to outline and center middle. Then you can start writing. My text to be in the flower, make it a little bigger and make it bold, and color is black. Let's get started. Alright, happy first. So there I have. I'm gonna move this into the middle a little bit. So yeah. Then I want to add some pictures. So we can even change the background color. First I'm going to change the background color. And this time I want to do a color, so I'm going to go to color. I want gradient colors. I'm going to pick light purple. Whoa, isn't that cool? And now I want a picture, so I'm going to go to insert picture and search the web. I'm going to search smiley face. So I want this one. You can drag it, or you could just select it and insert image. Sometimes you could have text where you could type in. And I want this one. I'll go to insert. Right here. And I want one last one, which is gonna be this. Gonna make it a little better. Yeah. And you can add more slides like this. You can even pick a theme. So yeah, and when you're gonna share, it's gonna ask you to name representation. It's directly gonna name it, but if you want to save it in the drive, just gonna, since you already have a title, you can just make it like your title, or you can change it. So I'm just gonna make it my title. And you can add new slides like I told you. You can change your background whenever you want. You can share it to your friends, your family. But yeah, you can even add speaker notes here. You can make this into grid view. There's so many things to do. You can even add shapes. Cool shapes. They even have a star. So I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe my channel and ring the bell button for more notifications. Bye! See you later!